Hello friends, welcome back to Easy Learning. Today I am sharing a game-changing Excel trick. How to create a dynamic drop-down list. Imagine a drop-down that updates itself every time you add new data. By the end of this video, you will be a pro at creating one. Okay, let's start. Here in column D, I have got a list of movie category. We are going to turn this list into a super smart drop-down in column B. So anytime we update the category, the drop-down does too. First, we will turn our list into a smart table. You can ask why a table? Tables are like the brains behind this trick. They expand automatically when you add new data. To create a smart table, first highlight your data with header in column D. Go to the Insert tab, click Table. Don't forget to check My Table has headers. Click the OK button and boom, your data is smarter now. Now this is where the magic happens. We are going to create a dynamic range that will automatically update whenever we add or remove category. Go to the Formulas tab. Click Name Manager, then click New. Let's name it something cool like Dynamic List. This list is going to work dynamically. In the Refers to box, select your table data, just the category name. This is the trick that makes your drop-down comes to life. No manual updating ever again. Now for the fun part, let's create a drop-down. Select the cells in column B where you want the drop-down. Go to the Data tab. Click on Data Validation and choose List from drop-down. In the source box, press F3. Select Dynamic List and hit OK. Now let's put it to the test. What happens when I add a new category? Let's say cartoon. Check it out. The drop-down has automatically updated with the new category. No need to go back and tweak anything. It's just working. Because it's a table, this will update forever whether you add 1 or 100 data. Pretty awesome, right? And that's it. If this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Easy Learning for more Excel tips and tricks. Thank you.